I mean, what really determines whether a decarbonization technology really gets scaled up or continues to remain at a pilot scale?
Good afternoon, and thank you, Mr. Saurabh, and thank you to GRPC and Dr. Malhotra for this invitation to be part of this conference. Coming to your question, Mr. Saurabh, I'd like to answer from an operator's perspective. Being an operator, we would definitely like to scale up, and we will, and that's very exciting for any technology when you see that it has to cross that pilot scale. But there are certain key deliverables which we have to see before it goes into the industrial scale. I'll say, first of all, that technology has to be reliable. Does it work? Does it work consistently? We refiners, we operate plant on a 24/7 basis, 7 days a week, 365 days. So it has to be, that technology has to be proven, it has to work consistently. Then definitely is it possible to, take different feedstocks, variations, and how is the performance over time? So the key message I would like to say on this point is that reliability is the first test. An operator cannot compromise a plant reliability. So that's the first one. The next one would be economic viability of the thing. Does it has a business case? Let's say for any plant when you get in, definitely there will be questions. What's the capital investment required? What is the operating cost? How much is the energy consumptions? So sustainability and profitability must go hand in hand. That's the basic point. Technologies that improve both are the ones that are most likely to succeed. The next is the integration of these technologies into the existing assets. Most of the refineries, they have been around for a large number of years. So if a new technology comes in, we have to see that can it be retrofitted? And does it require long shutdowns? So these are the critical questions which an operator would ask, and how it will get integrated into the existing control systems. So easier the technology integrates into the existing systems, the easier it can be adopted. The next part as an operator I'd like to see is, can it be replicated? Can it be from one site to another site? Can it be taken? Then what is the supply chain readiness? What is the readiness of the skilled people, vendor capabilities? And then finally, is there an ecosystem? Is there an enabling ecosystem for these new technologies? For example, what's the carbon pricing, green hydrogen initiatives, sustainable aviation fuel mandates, demand and for low carbon product should be there. So in the end, I'll say that in operations, we don't scale technologies because they are innovative. We scale them because they are reliable, they are safe, they are economically viable, and they are attractive, and we are able to replicate them. So if any technology is able to fit in these parameters, I think as an operator, we are always ready to accept it and move on.